save some cash with just a lash like a python. White boy, I'm like the inner of a kinder, getting school done like a boss, not a sinner. You think I'm just a bitch who raps about nothing? We'll try the shit out and see who calls a bluffing. I'll ground pound your grandma and your uncle, cause I don't give a fuck about pedos or Garfunkel. Some people dig the shit and some are hating. I'm contemplating to spit a rhyme that's worth my time. The prime time to kill them on a verse. I'll sit back and relax and facts and shitty verses to myself. Will I sit on the couch and fix mistakes while you hate on yourself? Yeah, yeah, what? Dream, 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 I am happy in my dreams. I made success in life, everything is nice. Reality check, no bitches on deck, just me in my bed. My life is done and said, a Yoda vibe here. My words are not so clear, confusion for your ears. I think that if you tried to listen to my words, you could probably understand just what you heard. Mix and match thoughts about what I want to do with my life and myself. My life is on the shelf, so easy to open, but what you take is your token. I'm just hoping that when I do, I just joke it, because life is fun and games, right? Life is just fun and games, right?